everybody, this is Brianna Rudder, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you 3 ways on how you can style your UNice hair from UNice.com. So to do this look, I actually already did a tutorial on the style. I taught you how to do a frontal wig using 1 frontal and 3 bundles of UNice hair. So check the link in the description for details. Also use coupon code UNiceHair44 to get a discount on this hair. Now for the first style, I'm doing an up and down look. So I'm doing a top knot curly bun, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to pull this off. So for starters, make sure that you have a spray bottle filled with water, and you can also add your favorite hair conditioner as well. You want to make sure to dampen the hair that you're going to be working on. So I mostly sprayed near the front. Now I'm using my rat tail comb to part a very straight line, and you're going to see me occasionally spraying my hair, so that way it makes it very easy for parting and styling. This allows for your hair to not get tangled as you're actually parting and combing it, being that this is curly hair. You do not have to spray your hair if you're styling straight hair, but you definitely want to make sure you're doing this if it's curly. Now I'm using the teeth of my rat tail comb to further smooth the front section of my hair to allow for a very flat ponytail. Now when doing your ponytail, I like to use hair ties that don't have a metal or plastic clasp on it. What I mean by that is that there's usually like a very small piece on hair ties that tend to make the hair get snugged and tangled. And this is free of that. It does not have any metal or plastic pieces on it. Now I'm just spraying a small section of hair, finger raking it through, and then I'm going to make sure to wrap it around the base of my ponytail to add a further stylish look to it. Then when I actually finish, I just tuck the curly ends, and this is something of what I got going on. But I didn't really like this style on me, but I love it on other women. So what I decided to do is actually form a bun out of it. So I'm just twisting the hair in my hands, and I'm making sure to go around my head. And then I'm using my other hand to kind of fix the look of the bun as I go, making sure to tuck the ends. And then to finish off the look, I'm just using my spray bottle to loosen up the curls and make sure that it looks just like this. So this is the finished style to look number 1. Now for look number 2, I decided to do something of a tribal look. So what I did is I actually braided 3 braids. I have 3 cornrow braids in total. I have 2 small ones, 1 on each side, and then I have 1 large one in the middle. So as you can see, I parted my hair into a triangle that's near my ear. Now I'm gonna grab the smallest piece of hair near the front to begin braiding my cornrow braid. To make those small tribal braids look really good, you wanna make sure that you get super close to your hairline, grabbing the tiniest pieces of hair as you continue to braid it, because it helps to make your braid look very neat and extremely realistic. Don't y'all see that lace peeking through? It's even hard to tell that that's lace because the quality of this lace is so good. So if you haven't watched my lace frontal tutorial, go back on my last video to check it out, or click the link in the description box to watch the tutorial as well. So now I'm grabbing pieces of hair on both sides to feed into my cornrow braid. If you don't know how to cornrow braid, I have new tutorials that I've posted on my channel so that you can see exactly how to do it step by step. So really quick, I'm just grabbing those 2 small braids and I'm wrapping it around the base of my larger tribal braid that's in the center. I twist the ends of the hair, and then I'm wrapping it around my ponytail. Now you can choose to use bobby pins if this makes it easier for you to do, but because the hair is curly, it kind of holds onto itself very easily. This is the Malaysian curly hair texture that I got from UNice.com. Now for style number 3, I went ahead and removed my braids, and I'm going to part directly down the center. Now when I actually created my frontal wig, I did not bleach the lace. I made sure to make it very beginner friendly so that way you can achieve a beautiful look without having to do all the extra steps. But as you can see, I didn't like those 2 pieces in front, so I left 2 curly pieces on the side, and then I slicked down my hair for a different look. Now a lot of women like to wear huge ponytails or braids, but I wanted to make this look kind of retro, so I decided to wear it slicked back. And then I'm using some concealer to make my part just look a little bit more realistic to my liking, being that I'm wearing a very strong and prominent middle part. Now you're gonna take your favorite hair gel and you're going to apply a little bit onto the areas that you want to remain slicked down. Now this is level 10 hold gel, so it held up extremely well. If you were ever wondering about how great quality this Eco Styler gel is, it holds extremely well. Now I'm using my rat tail comb to further smooth it down, and also to use a little bit of gel to further define those side curls. And as you can see here, this is the completed look of my slick down style for number 3. And there you have it, style number 3. Wearing a slick back style with this look definitely brought out the waviness and the curliness of this hair texture. If you want to get this hair, be sure to click the links in the description box for some beautiful curly Malaysian hair. Use coupon code UNiceHair44 to get a discount on your order. So until then, I can't wait to see y'all in my next video. And make sure to click that bell for notifications so that you don't miss any more of my tutorials. So until then, see y'all later. Bye bye.